The adjustable lever limit switch is a mechanical limiting device widely used in industrial automation equipment. It features an adjustable lever that can be set at various angles and lengths to meet different control requirements. By mechanically engaging its internal contacts, the switch offers a simple and reliable solution for position control, making it ideal for applications such as conveyors, lifts, and robotic arms. During installation and use, ensure the lever is properly adjusted, avoid excessive impact, and regularly check for wear on the levers and contacts to extend its lifespan and maintain precise detection.